can't dance. We're in Austria. It's so pretty. Hey guys, it's Erin, and today we are filming a really fun video. Everyone always sees beauty gurus teaching them how to like do stuff. So I thought it'd be really fun for you guys to go on the adventure with me and kind of learn with me, if that makes sense. So obviously I find myself pretty good at hair, but makeup on the other hand, I'm not too good at. I can do like the basic like bronze, blush, contour, highlight, all that stuff, but especially when it comes to eyes, I'm not very good at eyeshadow. So I thought this would be a really fun video to do a like experience me trying to do a cut crease for the first time. And obviously if this video goes downhill and nobody wants to watch it, I won't continue this series. But as for now, if you guys want to experience this with me, keep watching. And if you guys don't, I have tons of other videos where there actually are tutorials where I know what I'm doing. So I always heard if you want to do complex like eye looks, you want to start off with like your eyes before you do the rest of your face makeup. I normally do my face makeup first, but we're just gonna do this and prime our eyelids right now. And this is probably gonna turn out really bad. Like, eyes are the one thing I'm really bad at because every time I watch tutorials, nobody has hooded eyes. I'm just gonna pat this in. I watched a few tutorials, but I'm not fully like certain on what to do, so we're just gonna experiment and see what happens. So I'm actually going out to my dad's birthday dinner today, and I wanted to do like a pinky eye because I have like a pink dress. Like, if we're gonna be honest here, I don't even think I have the right brushes. So I'm gonna take Eden, which is this color right here, and put that in my crease. As you guys can see, I have pretty hooded eyes. I heard this is what you gotta do, so we're gonna do it. And I heard if you have hooded eyes, you want to bring it up higher. Again, this could be all wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, I'm also so pimply. Today's just like not a good day for me. So I'm feeling this color Amber, which is right next to Eden, and I might put that darken the crease. That's what beauty gurus say, right? I'm gonna use the same brush to make my life easier. I feel like that's nice and soft, right? It's like no harsh lines. We're getting somewhere. This is good. I also want to try nose contouring, and that's also another thing that we're probably not gonna dabble. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into my Modern Renaissance. We're gonna take Red Ochre, and we might put a little bit of that more in the outer corner. Let's take a darker blending brush and then blend that out on the outer corner here. I wanna do like a cut crease halo eye like here, but that may not end up what might actually happen. And I'm gonna do like the little circle motions. Oh, I'm so bad at eyeshadows. You don't even know, guys. I'm so bad at like a little under here. I don't know if that's gonna be a problem. There's no going back now. I think I'm gonna take a crease brush and put some of like Love Letter into here just to make it more pinky. This could make or break the look. Okay. We're getting some pinks in here. It's funny because I haven't even gotten to like the cut crease part and I already messed up like my eyes. Okay. I literally look like I just punched myself and gave myself a black eye. If we're gonna be honest right now, it just looks like one big blob. I want to look like this, but I don't. I look like this. It's not good. There are like no dark colors. Okay, I guess we're gonna take the Oud. I don't know. Let's go into the corners and deepen it out. That just looks like it just... Okay, and let's try to blend this out. I wish I was good at eyeshadow. I really do wish I was good at eyeshadow. Okay, we'll do Love Letter and we'll put it on this side too. I feel like that's how you want to do a halo, right? Like you want some color on this side too. That's how halos work. So I have some pink on that side, and I want to leave this middle region for the halo. Maybe? Yes? No? Someone please help. Do we like that? Does it look like I just gave myself a black eye? Let's try cutting out the crease now. I have the concealer on my arm. Probably should have watched the tutorial more in depth. I watched it at like midnight last night. Okay. And if I look up, they said you want to cut the crease like this, and then I'm gonna just pat it down like this, I believe they said. Is that what they want? I'm so confused. Out, and then they said take your finger. My fingers are such long nails, I'm so confused. And pat it out to make it a gradient. Also, they said it takes like 20 minutes to get the crease, and this was literally 30 seconds, so I definitely did something wrong. So this is my attempt of cutting a crease, and I don't even know like what my crease is, where it is, how does it work? I don't know. Okay, well, it's already done. I already did this. I don't know what the this is, but I did it, so there's that, and I have concealer on my brush. Feel like now is the time where we would soften up the look and the harsh lines. So I guess this is where I take more of that love letter, I think, and then we just kind of blend it in. I feel like that just took off where I put concealer though. Oh, I see that soft transition-y look. Oh, I see you, I see you. Okay, maybe we are getting somewhere. Maybe we're getting somewhere, maybe we're getting somewhere. Maybe it's one of those like trust the process kind of things. I heard if you take a clean blending brush, it'll soften the look. Oh my gosh, this looks like a Neapolitan ice cream. This is not what I wanted. I'm thinking like some of these colors, you know, Primavera, something like that. This color, Vermeer. And do I just pack that on now? Is that concealer the concealer was supposed to like help with that or something? And then I think I messed it up when I was trying to soften up the look, I guess. I don't like how there's this really dramatic line between my lid and the colors, if that makes sense. Let's go back to Eden. Took the same crease brush as before, went back to Eden, which was the very first crease shade, and maybe we softened up the look. I feel like right now we're just adding more mud to the combination. What are our thoughts? Do we like this? Because right now I'm gonna go with a hard no, but we'll see. Oh, this is looking pretty. I kind of like brought it up to here. Okay, I'm like kind of into that. This looks like Neapolitan ice cream, guys. Okay, I guess that's gonna be the look. This was definitely a fail. I don't know how to do cut creases, but this is the look, and I guess we're just gonna have to finish the rest of my face makeup and see how the rest of this looks, because right now it's not looking too hot. So I just finished my makeup, and this is what the final product looks like. I don't know if I like it or not. This is what the halo eye looked like. To be honest, it doesn't look like a halo eye. I really messed up, guys, but this is what it looks like. It's really not that good. So I'm gonna need some more practice, but that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big old like. Right down there, my social media is right over here. So if you guys have any suggestions for future videos, you guys can either comment that down below, or you guys can tweet me at flipherhair22. I really had fun filming this video, even though my eye look ended up looking disastrous and gross and I had lots of fun, and I'm definitely gonna be practicing some more, and maybe next time I'll actually be able to do a real tutorial on how to do these halo eyes instead of whatever this was. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My vlog channel is also right over there, so you guys can click that to subscribe. I post brand new videos every Tuesday on my vlog channel, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week for another Flip Hair Friday. Bye!